In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get market data in Interactive Brokers. Market data is what powers your quotes, charts, and order entry. Without it, you may only see delayed prices. I'll walk you through where to find your subscriptions and how to turn on exactly what you need, step by step. Start from the client portal on the Positions homepage. This is the main dashboard where you land after signing in. From here, look to the top right and click the profile icon, the small user avatar that opens your account menu. In that menu, choose Settings. This takes you into the unified settings area where you control trading preferences and account features. Inside Settings, select Market Data Subscriptions. This page lists everything you're currently subscribed to, along with status and pricing. To make changes, click the Configure Gear icon. That opens a detailed selector. Use the tabs to filter by the platforms and regions you want data for. Interactive Brokers organizes market data by where you'll use it, like Client Portal or Trader Workstation, and by geography and exchange. Go tab by tab and check the box next to each product you want to subscribe to. If something no longer fits your needs, uncheck its box to cancel. Take a moment to review the descriptions. Many feeds distinguish between real-time and delayed data, and some products are bundled by exchange. Pricing can vary depending on whether your account is classified as non-professional or professional, and certain exchanges may show additional taxes or fees. When your selections look right, click Continue to Review. You'll see a summary of the new monthly charges, any cancellations, and the date changes take effect. You may be prompted to acknowledge exchange agreements and disclosures, read those and confirm, then click Continue again until you reach the confirmation page. That final screen is your signal that the request has been submitted. Most subscriptions activate quickly, though some exchanges can take a little longer to process. A few tips as you wrap up. Subscriptions are generally billed monthly, and changes mid-cycle can be prorated according to exchange rules. If you manage multiple platforms, make sure you enable data for the one you actually use day to day. And if your trading focus changes, return to the same market data subscriptions page to adjust or cancel before the next billing cycle. That's it. Now you know exactly